Hello students, hope you all are fine. I am Miss Nehali Topiwala, your EVS teacher, and we will continue with the same chapter, chapter number 9, Up You Go, with part 3. Now in this part 3, we are going to see about the Bechendri Pal story, that how she became the first Indian woman to reach to the highest peak of the world, that is Mount Everest, and we will look towards her story in her own words. So let's see ahead. Alone on the mountain top. A 12-year-old girl living in the mountains was out on a school picnic. She climbed a mountain peak of 4,000 meters with her friend. The girls had done this for fun and adventure. Soon it was dark and they couldn't come down. It was also cold and scary. They were alone without any food, and it was a long night. This happened to Bechendri Pal, played when she was a young girl. Now there was a girl, 12 years old girl. Who was she? She was Bechendri Pal only. So she was living in the mountains only, and they had taken from the school picnic. So she climbed 4,000-meter mountain peak with her friends, and they were doing just for fun and enjoyment and adventure. So soon it was dark, andhera ho gaya, and they couldn't come down again back, and it was cold and scary over there, and they had not they didn't had any food and anything, and night was also long, and they were feeling very hungry. So this was nothing, but it happened to Bechendri Pal only when she was a young girl. Bechendri grew up in the Naukari village in the Gravel area of Uttarakhand. When she grew older, she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Utkarshi. She was living in Uttarakhand only, Naukari village in Gravel area in mountains only. And when she grew older, जब वो बड़ी हो गई, तो she has joined this Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Utkarshi, because she was an adventurous lady. Her guide was Brigadier Gyan Singh. Bechendri did very well in her training. उसका guide, उसका instructor, who was him? Bechendri, Brigadier Gyan Singh. So that's why she had came to seek the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh when she was made the team of Mount Everest, to climb a Mount Everest. And she had done very well in her training also. And then soon she started to train women in mountaineering courses. मतलब उसके बाद वो खुद सिखाने लगी दूसरे वुमेन्स को. In 1984, Bechendri was selected as a team member to climb the Mount Everest. तो उसको एक टीम मेंबर के रूप में सिलेक्ट किया गया था टू क्लाइंब द माउंट एवरेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? Snowstorm. There were 7 women in that 18-member team. On the night of 15th May, the team was very tired after having reached a height of 7,300 meters. Now, there was a 7 women in that 18-member team. 7 women थे, जहाँ पे on 15th May the team was tired क्योंकि they have already reached to 7,300 meters height. The team put up their tents and went to sleep. Around midnight they heard a loud sound and then a bang. Means रात को, आधी रात को, what happened? They heard some sound which was banging sound. Before they were fully awake, मतलब पूरी तरह से वो जाग सके, उसके पहले what happened? Their tent flew away with the wind. There was a terrible snowstorm. Bechendri was almost buried under the snow and was hurt on the head. Bechendri was almost, मतलब इतना ज़ोर से snowstorm हुआ था कि Bechendri तो दब गई थी. And with her many also other team members were also injured. She was also injured on her head. The others used snow picks and axe to dig out those who had been buried under the snow. फिर वो एक्स और स्नो पिक से बर्फ़ हटा के लोगों को बचा रहे थे जो अंदर दब गए थे. द रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम मेंबर्स रिटर्न टू बेस कैंप, बट बेचेंद्री वेंट अहेड. बाकी के लोग ये हादसा होने के बाद वापस से अपने बेस कैंप, जहाँ से उन्होंने कैंप स्टार्ट किया था, वहाँ पे चले गए. बट बेचेंद्री नहीं रुकी. शी वेंट अहेड. वो जाना चाहती थी ऊपर. क्लाइंबिंग स्लोली बट स्टेडली टूवर्ड्स द पीक. It was 7 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon of 23rd May when Bechendri stepped onto the peak of 8,900 meter high Mount Everest, also called Sagarmatha, in Nepal. 1:07 हुई थी ऑन 23rd मई आफ्टरनून में। बेचेंद्री ने अपना पहला कदम उस पीक पे रखा जो 8,900 मीटर हाई था, and that was Mount Everest, and in Nepal it is also known as Sagarmatha. There was another team member with her. There was no space for two people to stand on the top at the same time. One another team member was also there with her, and there was no space. There was only one space to stand for the one people only. One slip and they would fall straight down thousands of feet below. अगर एक स्लिप हो गया, एक का पैर स्लिप भी हो जाता है तो वो सीधा हज़ारों मीटर नीचे जाएंगे. Bechendri and her teammate dug into the snow and pitched their eggs firmly in the ice. उन्होंने फिर स्नो को डग किया, हटाया, एंड दे मेड अ सम एरिया वेयर बोथ ऑफ देम कैन स्टैंड. यूजिंग दिस एज अ हुक दे टाइड देम सेल्फ टू इट विथ अ रोप. और फिर उन्होंने एक हुक लगाया और जहाँ से उन्होंने रस्सी के साथ अपने आप को बांध दिया ताकि अगर वो गिर भी जाए तो दे कैन हैंडल देयर पोजिशन. Only then two of them could stand there. She was shivering with cold but filled with the warmth of achievement. इतनी हाइट पे जाने के बाद ऑब्वियसली वन वुड गेट कोल्ड ऑल्सो. सो शी वॉज शिवरिंग. वो ठंड के मारे काँप रही थी, बट येस ऑन द अदर पार्ट शी वॉज हैप्पी ऑल्सो. उसमें गर्माहट भी थी दैट शी इज़ द ओनली वुमन हु हैव क्लाइम्ड दिस अचीवमेंट. शी बोर्ड हर हेड, पिच द नेशनल फ्लैग एंड टुक फोटोग्राफ्स. उसने अपना सर झुकाया, नेशनल फ्लैग को वहाँ पे गाड़ा, एंड शी ऑल्सो टुक फोटोग्राफ्स ओवर देयर. She spent 43 minutes on the highest peak in the world. And how many minutes she was there on that highest peak? 43 minutes. Bechendri Pal became the first Indian woman and the fifth woman in the world to reach the peak of Mount Everest. And her name was written and created history that she was the first woman who reached the Mount Everest and the fifth woman in the world to reach this Mount Everest. So students, hope you all have understood this chapter. Now there is something to think. Why did Bechendri put up the Indian flag on the peak? To show that the Indian people can do and they can have reached the peak of 8,900 meters high. When have you seen a national flag being hoisted? A national flag is hoisted on every 15th of August and 26th January, Republic Day. Make groups of 6-8 children, design a flag of your group and explain why you choose that design. So this is an activity that you have to do. But now we are not in the class or not in the school, so we will not do this kind of activity. Have you ever seen the flag of any other country? Where? Yes, we have seen many flags of any other countries, that is in map, pictures also, in news channels also. Okay, so here we have completed this chapter, Up You Go chapter, and it was related with trekking part. One who are adventurous, one whose life is full of adventurous can do such type of trekking part and can feel, can overcome, can come out from all the stress and feel that they are doing the one of the happiest thing in the life. So I hope you have understood this chapter very well. So students, take care, stay home. Bye. Thank you.